birthday ngayon nila Jaja at Bombom, tayo'y magsayawan. Tama na. Number one, the first 3 days are going to be the hardest. Harder? Ang ginawa kasi sa akin guys is under the muscle, meaning they place the implants under my chest muscles at konektado yung muscles na yun sa arm muscles ko. So wala talaga akong magawa. Hindi ko magalaw yung arms ko. Ultimo pagtayo, kailangan ko pa ng tulong from someone else. Number two, siguradong some clothes wouldn't fit anymore. And for me, sobrang sakit sa puso. Number three, speaking of bra, eto I don't know if ako lang, pero my doctor specifically advised me to never go braless kahit sa pagtulog ha, for 1 whole year. Take note na yung bra na sinasuggest or pinaprescribe niya is hindi naman push-up at hindi rin yung mga may wire, specifically mga sports bras na comfortable just to provide support. Number 4, you might get stretch marks. At takot ako noon kasi mas stretch marks akong tao. Alam ng mga friends ko yan. Ito pinrescribe sa akin ni Doc, ito yung Bio Oil. Meron ito sa Watsons at hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko siya bilang lotion on this parts. Another thing na of course kailangan natin bantayan, pagtuunan ng pansin, are the scars. Na nga itong si Dermatrix Ultra. This is very effective pagdating sa akin. Ilang months lang na ginagamit ko to. Actually, nakakadalawang tube pa lang ako nito. Pero napansin ko na yung mga hyperpigmented or darker areas ng aking scars ay talagang nag-fade na. After the scar gel, nilalagyan ko rin ng softest peptide cream yung aking scars. I'm telling you guys, peptide is the next big thing. Remember, hindi na tayo mga bata, so the collagen production sa ating body, hindi na sila as potent or ganun karami as compared before. But if we introduce peptide in our system, this could actually trick our body to think that we are younger than we already are. So it could restart, it could renew yung collagen process. So if ever meron kang mga scars, kahit sa face, yung mga acne marks, kayang-kaya ma-reverse nitong softest peptide cream. Number 6, base sa aking research at experience na rin, maapektuhan talaga yung pakiramdam or sensation ng mga pepperoni ba. Salamat naman sa Diyos at hindi niya ako tinanggalan. But I could say this, kung dati may pakiramdam naman siya, it's sensitive. After getting Jaja and Boom Boom, it became 100 times more sensitive palalo. Anyway, alam ko maraming magtatanong na naman sa comment section at sa DM kung sino bang doktor ko, saan ako nagpagawa. I'm very vocal about it. My doctor is Dr. Mike Versosa of M Aesthetics Clinic. And right now guys, meron silang anniversary promo kung saan you can avail and get up to 50,000 peso discount. So if you are interested, ipa-flash ko sa video na ito yung kanilang mga pages and make sure to check them out.